A big ass bee. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you on an exciting bike ride. Why don't you come along? I found a trail on All Trails that promises some stunning views and a little bit of a challenge. So why don't we get started? Before we get started, let's do a check. Water bottle? Check. Helmet? Check. Bike tires? Check. Let's hit the trail.
Right here in the heart of Fish Creek Park is the Bow Valley Ranch restaurant. An old building, very nice looking. Never been here, but maybe one day I'll come check it out. It's a hot one today. Gotta make sure I'm staying hydrated. Absolutely beautiful valley. Weather's perfect today. Nice and warm. Nice breeze. There is a couple people out on the trail today, but overall it's not too busy. As I said, it's beautiful out. Nice and sunny. Nice little breeze though, so it's not too hot. Perfect day to be checking out Fish Creek Park. That's it for today's adventure. Thanks for riding along. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor fun. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's another trail in my area that you think I should check out. Happy riding, everyone. Peace.